Hey everyone, in this question we have been asked that the products of the reaction, the product or the products of the reaction catalyzed by the enzyme nitrogenase in root nodules of the leguminous plants are which one of the following? And the options are first ammonia and hydrogen, second ammonia alone, third is nitrate alone, or the fourth option we have is ammonia and oxygen. See, जो nitrogenase enzyme होता है, it requires firstly it requires anaerobic conditions. ठीक है, the enzyme nitrogenase require anaerobic conditions, that is the absence of oxygen to for its activity. ठीक है, it requires anaerobic condition. ठीक है, तो इसके लिए to protect this enzyme from oxygen एक प्रोटीन प्रेजेंट होता है which is called as less hemoglobin. This is oxygen scavenger and due to the presence of this protein जो nodules होते हैं they are protected from oxygen so that nitrogenase can perform its activity. ठीक है, तो नाइट्रोजनेस क्या होता है? नाइट्रोजनेस एंजाइम होता है जो कि हाईली सेंसिटिव टू ऑक्सीजन होता है. ठीक है, क्या होता है? इट इज सेंसिटिव टू ऑक्सीजन. ठीक है, ऑक्सीजन से सेंसिटिव होता है. ठीक है, तो इसको जो प्रोटेक्ट करने के लिए जो प्रोटीन होता है वो होता है लेग हीमोग्लोबिन विच इज प्रेजेंट इन द रूट नोड्यूल्स ऑफ द प्लांट्स which acts as the scavenger of the oxygen and creates conditions such that the nitrogenase can perform its activity. Now this enzyme, nitrogenase enzyme, is used in the process of biological nitrogen fixation. ठीक है, biological nitrogen fixation पे ये नाइट्रोजनस एंजाइम यूज होता है और ये वहां पे क्या करता है? इट कन्वर्ट्स द एटमॉस्फेरिक नाइट्रोजन इनटू अमोनिया एंड हाइड्रोजन. ठीक है, nitrogenase enzyme converts the atmospheric nitrogen into ammonia and hydrogen during the process of biological nitrogen fixation. ठीक है, the complete process is as follows. ठीक है, nitrogen plus 8 electrons plus 8 hydrogens plus this is a active process, it requires energy, so 16 molecules of ATP. This gives rise to ammonia. ठीक है, 2 molecules of ammonia if we balance the reaction and hydrogen comes out along with 16 ADP plus phosphate, inorganic phosphate. ठीक है, तो होता क्या है? जो नाइट्रोजनेस एंजाइम होता है, नाइट्रोजनेस एंजाइम, so this is a nitrogenase, suppose this is the nitrogenase enzyme. ठीक है, ये जो है ये सबस्ट्रेट बाइंडिंग स्पेस है. ठीक है, यहाँ पे 2 molecules of nitrogen, the N2 N and N. Now what happens? This nitrogen N2 will be reduced. ठीक है, इसका क्या होगा? रिडक्शन होगा and it will bind to molecules of hydrogen. ठीक है, यहाँ पे suppose this was the nitrogenase enzyme and these were the nitrogens. Now each one of them will bind to hydrogen. ठीक है, and only 2 bonds between them will be left. ठीक है, सिमिलरली इसका रिडक्शन फिर से होगा, वापस रिडक्शन होगा और फिर से सेम प्रोसेस रिपीट होगा. अगेन द सेम प्रोसेस रिपीट्स where the nitrogen molecules again bind to the another hydrogen molecules. ठीक है, ये नाइट्रोजन थे और एक बॉन्ड नाइट्रोजन, दोनों नाइट्रोजन मॉलिक्यूल्स के बीच में फिर से कम हो जाएगा. नाउ दे विल बी लेफ्ट विद ओनली one bond between one another and it will be joined to 2 molecules of hydrogen, both of the nitrogen. ठीक है, after that this will be again reduced, फिर से रिडक्शन होगा. after reduction they'll again bind to the hydrogen molecules. ठीक है, and no bond between the 2 nitrogen molecules will be left. ठीक है, ये नाइट्रोजन था and now this will be bonded to 3 different hydrogen atoms. So hence after that we'll get 2 molecules of ammonia, that is NH3. ठीक है, इसके बाद क्या होगा? 2 molecules of ammonia रिलीज हो जाएंगे. Release of 2 molecules of ammonia. ठीक है, this is the product that is formed and this enzyme is again free, this nitrogenase enzyme is again free for further reduction process. ठीक है, ये वापस रिडक्शन प्रोसेस में चला जाएगा, free for further reduction of atmospheric nitrogen. ठीक है, so this is how the process occurs. ठीक है, तो मेन प्रोसेस क्या होती है? The main process in here is that the nitrogen molecule binds to hydrogen molecules and reduced to form ammonia and hydrogen. ठीक है, and it requires 16 molecules of ATP, that is energy, and this ATP is broken down into 16 molecule of ADP and inorganic phosphate. तो in the question we were asked this only कि products जो कि form होंगे after the reaction after the reaction which has been catalyzed by nitrogenase in the root nodules of leguminous plants. ठीक है, तो क्या हम लोगों ने देखा that 2 molecules of ammonia and hydrogen will be formed. So correct answer will be option number first, ammonia and hydrogen. So I hope you understood. Thank you.